In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an SMS agent in n8n that automatically responds to users after they submit a form. We're building a simple, reliable workflow that collects details from a web form, sends that data to an AI agent, and produces two tailored replies, a professional email and a short SMS follow-up. Those responses are then delivered automatically. This setup is perfect for contact forms, customer inquiries, lead generation, and lightweight support. First, add a form trigger node to your workflow. This node lets you embed a form on your website and kick off the automation whenever someone submits it. Configure the form with 4 fields: name, email, question, and phone. As soon as a user submits the form, the workflow starts with those values available to every connected node. Next, add an AI agent node. This node will receive the submitted name and question and generate 2 outputs: a polished email reply and a concise SMS follow-up. In your prompt, be explicit. Tell the AI to greet the user by name, reference the question they asked, and include a brief line asking how urgent the request is. Keeping the instructions clear helps the AI write responses that sound consistent and helpful. Now connect an OpenAI Chat Model node to the AI agent. Choose the model you want, for example, GPT-400 Mini. This model will produce the actual email and SMS text. Make sure your credentials are set up correctly and keep your tone settings balanced so replies are friendly and professional. To keep the outputs consistent, add a Structured Output Parser node. Configure it to enforce a simple JSON structure with 2 keys: email for the full email reply, and text for the SMS message. For example, email, response, text, response. Consistent keys make it easy to map content into the email and SMS nodes later. Now split the workflow into 2 branches, one for email and one for SMS. In each branch, add a short wait node, such as 1 minute. This creates a natural pause so the follow-up doesn't feel instant or robotic. On the email path, add an email node, such as Microsoft Outlook. Set the recipient to the form's email field, use a clear subject like web form response, and map the body to the AI's email output at json.output.email. On the SMS path, add a Twilio node. Set the from field to your Twilio number, the to field to the form's phone value, and map the message to json.output.text. Finally, test your workflow by submitting the form URL. The data flows into n8n. The AI generates both responses, the weights apply, then the email is sent, and the SMS follows. Your automated SMS agent is now running.